Yeah, I'm a 737 captain. I've been a 737 captain since a long time ago, since I was 26 years of age. I've worked for several different airlines, including British Airways, Thompson's, Ryanair, EasyJet. So I've seen lots of different companies operate the aircraft, and there are different ways of flying the 737, but the basic machine is much the same. And the 800, which this is a replica of, is a very slippy machine, and again this replicates it quite well with the speed control, with the thrust position, etc. So it was very good, and the control of the aircraft was very much like a 737. As the speeds came back, the pitch changed. It felt just like the 737 would itself. So yeah, no, it's a very, very good machine. Recommend it to anybody. So.
Yeah, it definitely adds to the experience, because usually if you got no motion, then it's pretty easy to keep things biased and make a stable approach. However, if you got motion, you have the same problem you have in reality, that there are disturbances in your brain, so it makes things more realistic and more enjoyable. I mean, okay, as far as you can enjoy having it a little more difficult, but it's more lifelike now.
How was it compared to your real life experience as a pilot?
Well, any simulator has a hard time trying to simulate the real conditions, but if you compare it to a commercial simulator, this is pretty close. I couldn't try an engine failure, which is normally the most prominent feature where you notice that you have motion or you don't have motion. But anyway, what's most important is if you fly an approach, you look at your instruments, and that sensation is disturbed a little as soon as the things start to move, and that's what it recreates quite good. So the same difficulties you encounter in a big simulator, the same ones you have here, and this is the main, I think, the main point of motion platforms anyway.
Okay. How did you enjoy the deceleration of the motion platform right here?
The deceleration?
Yeah, on the landing.
That's impressive, yes. I wouldn't have expected the motion to be that intense. And it's, I mean, the commercial simulator does no better job simulating that.
Okay.
Well, it felt very normal. It felt right. I didn't feel sick, or I didn't feel. It felt right. Yes, it was very good. Yes, and I enjoyed it. Yeah, it wasn't long enough.
Impressionnant. Le freinage, terrible. C'est vraiment très bien. Yes, it feels very realistic, and especially if you change the flaps from 30-40, you feel the lift increases when you pull out the flaps. So when you increase the flaps from 30 to 40, then you feel the lift. That's great.
Well, the motion was really good. I recommend for everyone, and this is all I can say. Really, I found very funny, very good. I enjoyed myself.